Who doesn't like a tip? No matter how much work you do, or how little you do as well, you always want to get a tip for the job that you completed. And therefore, on Fiverr, you can actually do so. Now, they already have a tip box, so after somebody pays for the gig that they complete, they can easily go and actually tip you. But this doesn't always work the way it should, because a lot of people just forget to tip. So here is a great way for you to actually do this. After you completed a job, or if somebody asks some question after they completed the job, like an extra request, what you can do is send them the gig that is already completed and then add as a gig extra to whatever message that you send the tip itself. So how do you do this? It's very simple. Let me show you how it's exactly done. So you go into a gig that you already created with somebody else, and here is the custom offer that I actually gave this specific person. So when I actually created the tip box, I then gave it to him. So now he has an option to give me a tip if he actually wants to, and it even looks like an original tip. There isn't even a picture of the tip itself. How awesome is that? So how do you do this? It's very simple. You just write the message itself, and after you write the message, all you have to do next is press on create the offer. Since you already created the gig itself, all you need to do is to scroll down all the way where it says I will be grateful if you tip me for a good job. You press on that. Here you do delivery time 1 day. The tip, just don't get too greedy here. $5 has to do a lot with Fiverr. Everybody is used to paying 5, so 5 is the ideal amount. But of course, they are more than welcome to pay you more than 5. And all you do next is press on submit the offer itself. So now, not only you did a good job, now you have a way for somebody to tip you. So here's the big kicker here. After you actually give this a few times to a client, and a few of them do tip you, it's already going to show that a few people did tip you for a job that was well done. So now they know that not only you do a good job, that now you actually are receiving tips for a good job that you actually created. And it actually gets more people to want to tip you again. So the more tips you get, the more tips you are going to keep on getting. So this is one of the coolest gigs that you can do on Fiverr, by actually donating money to yourself by people who actually really enjoyed the job you did on it.